Manufacturing continues to grow as the largest sector of engineering technology affecting nearly every corner of big industries. Approximately 35% of all employed engineers work in the manufacturing industry. Here are some interesting opportunities for young engineers entering into manufacturing. SMT engineering utilizes aspects of automation and manual labor. It typically requires good technical skills and the ability to improvise and adapt. Logistic engineers design and analyze operational solutions for projects such as transportation optimization, network modeling, and cost containment. They propose logistic solutions for customers and develop logistic metrics and internal analysis tools for business units. Quality engineers are also an important part of the manufacturing industry because their primary job is to keep the company's products and processes up to standards. The company's success and reputation is often directly tied to the quality department identifying and correcting operational shortfalls. Health and safety engineers are responsible for maintaining a safe work environment according to the government and company regulations. Their work goes to ensure the safety and longevity of both the workers and the company. Maintenance engineers work alongside maintenance technicians as well as plant managers to optimize the capabilities of machines suited for a certain task and increase the reliability of heavily used equipment.
Manufacturing engineers who specialize in the SMT and THT industry deal with many facets of the manufacturing process of circuit boards. Some of their typical tasks include adjusting the reflow oven profiles to perfectly cure the solder paste for every unique product, which typically ranges between 10 and 15 for companies who supply some of their own circuit boards but do not specialize in circuit board production. SMT engineers also verify part placement using AOI machines that they typically code themselves. They use the blueprints for the board to help the machine learn each product so the process can eventually be automated. However, frequent updates are typically required. SMT engineers also check solder paste distribution to verify there is the proper amount of solder paste for a successful bond. This is imperative to ensure defects such as tombstoning do not occur. The requirements for this field would include a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, or quality engineering.
Modern manufacturing systems are increasingly complex and capital intensive. Logistic engineers analyze and coordinate an organization's supply chain. They may help companies in areas such as transportation, shipment, inventory control, or information management. They work closely with other engineers, logistic analysts, and production managers to complete tasks such as evaluating the use of inventory tracking technology, web-based warehouse software, or intelligent conveyor systems to maximize plant or distribution center efficiency. They make recommendations to improve the efficiency of the workflow and quality of products while reducing production costs. Typically, an undergraduate degree in industrial engineering, quality engineering, or mechanical engineering is required to work in the field. A certification in transportation and logistics is also available to people in this field who wish to do so.
Quality engineers, or QEs for short, may work closely with line inspectors to identify parts and materials that don't meet the design requirements and determine the necessary corrective courses of action. A good QE has a keen eye for critical design requirements and understanding of the manufacturing processes and discipline to maintain the company quality standards, especially when working with outside manufacturers and retailers. They may also optimize inspections, as a simpler manufacturing inspection process means fewer mistakes are made. QEs may also be trained to perform department audits, where the engineer does a comprehensive assessment of procedures to ensure quality standards are being kept. Typically, QE positions require at least a bachelor's degree in quality, industrial, or mechanical engineering. If you're considering a career as a QE, consider also earning an ASQ certificate for more experienced opportunities after some years in the field.
Manufacturing sites contain various hazards, and while we can't completely eliminate risks, health and safety engineers work to ensure that they are mitigated. Much like quality engineers, a keen investigative eye is needed for this role, as their reviews of processes and controls and investigations of the workplace are crucial to ensure worker safety. In addition to this, they may be asked to implement safety measures of their own design, so the mechanical engineer skill set is a valuable resource. In terms of qualifications, a degree in engineering, such as mechanical, chemical, or industrial engineering, is generally required, but additional knowledge of government regulations and human physiology is also necessary. Additionally, as you progress in this career path, you may also choose to pursue certifications, such as being a CSP or a CSM.
Maintenance engineers are responsible for optimizing, servicing, and repairing machinery and equipment, including mechanical, electrical, and fluid power systems. They act as not only a fitter, but also a maintenance technician and maintenance scheduler for manufacturing plants. They work to keep plant procedures and machinery running as efficiently as possible with as few breakdowns by focusing on strategies and ways to make machines more reliable. With growing automation in the manufacturing industry, maintenance engineers are important because they can assess the needs of a manufacturing plant and make sure that its machines are maintained preventatively. Small plants, for example, may have them as a point of contact for all machines, while large plants may have them focus on only specific assets. To go into maintenance engineering, a bachelor's in mechanical engineering or electrical engineering is required, in addition to certification to troubleshoot and repair specific and complex types of machinery. With a total of 12.28 million Americans in the manufacturing industry as of March 2021, the market for jobs in manufacturing for engineers is constantly growing. These are only 5 of thousands of opportunities for young engineers to seek after. Thank you for watching.